I kind of had no idea what I was walking into. And it was strange because throughout this whole process, I was really kind of the only girl, and it was kind of scary because I am a huge fan of Jesse's. I love him, and I love him even more now. So it was really fun. I remember first moment I walked in, I was like, I just have to tell you now, you're my brother's hero, because in Zombieland is one of my brother's favorite movies, and I'm like, my brothers are so jealous of me right now because I'm sitting here with you, and I've fallen in love with each and every one of them. I said if I kind of rolled all the guys into one, I'd kind of have my perfect guy. We all got to hang out and really get to know each other. And Rooney, which is really cool because she was kind of the only other girl that I got to hang out with, which is really fun. So we all, because we're all the same age, we're all from different parts of the world. Andrew being from London, Jesse and Rooney being from New York, me being from California, so it was really, really cool to kind of get this crazy mesh of just kids. So we were all the same age. We got to hang out, and everyone is so talented. And I was lucky enough to share the trailer wall with Justin Timberlake, so I got to hear him warm up in the morning, and that's kind of every girl's fantasy. So I really have nothing to complain about. I had so much fun.